So today we're in Sedona. We're gonna climb Tisha Spire. It's a 5-7 climb. Shouldn't be overly difficult, which is why I'm kind of qualified to do it. Out here with Troy and his buddy Billy, and then Luke from, if you don't know, the Luke Rockwalker channel on YouTube, where he's a 14-year-old kid who goes out and does a lot of climbing and exploring, and yeah, go check his channel out. It's really cool stuff on there, and he's really knowledgeable. Hopefully he doesn't show me up too much on this climb. So we got lost and went way out that way. Luke's already up there.
Yeah, not seeing them. Maybe they did choose the lower approach through that wash down there.
We're professionals. We're up by Steamboat. Haven't seen Luke for a long time. Were we supposed to take care of him? Like, are we the responsible adults?
No. I think his mom slipped him an extra 10 to keep an eye on us.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think.
That's a good point. Luke, come save us. We need help.
You're our only hope.
Is that the right way?
Yeah.
Just say that with more confidence.
Yeah, we go up on this ledge this way.
Oh,
Is that the right way? Okay. Yeah.
how well do you know this guy?
Yeah.
He's entrusted his life to me on a number of occasions, much like you.
Yeah, I'm not very smart though.
We're gonna walk around the corner and see a really easy walk up from over there.
Probably. But this is more fun.
It is.
Wow. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't go under.
Am I in the way? You don't want to go down that way?
I don't. 3 guys, 3 cameras.
I swear there were 4 of us when we started this.
Wow. So beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Start to the second pitch.
I remember that third bullpen needs to be there.
Yeah.
Here goes Luke leading the first pitch. Partially because he's a badass, and partially just to make me feel bad, I think.
Our fearless leader, Luke. Rock walking.
Oh, he's got it.
Yeah, buddy. Very nice, sir.
Nice. All right, Troy, do something exciting.
Not too exciting.
Yeah, not too exciting, not newsworthy, but. All right, climbing.
Climb on. I also had in the pocket just to the side of that roll of white climbing tape. Might want to grab that for you guys too.
I am pulling on gear on this one, man.
Doing great.
It's okay. How's it going, man? I just met you and I'm trusting my life to you.
You are on belay.
All right, climbing.
Climb on.
There's the mantle.
Oh yeah.
All right.
I love it.
Okay, since I'm on belay, I took my pass off.
Nice.
I'm sorry. No, shouldn't I have flipped this into there actually?
No, not for lead.
Yeah. If you guys could hurry it up and get me up this thing.
Sorry.
And there he goes.
What you'd expect.
No.
It's a nice big crack.
Is it better than what we would expect?
It's different.
He's not making me feel good, man.
You're gonna love the traverse. Love the traverse.
That could be real.
You know, I have this feeling you might be sarcastic. I don't think I'm gonna love the traverse.
Climber humor.
It's hilarious, guys. Climbing. Hang on, I'm gonna ditch the ring.
Does that mean we're getting a divorce?
Let's just see how the day goes. All right, now climbing.
I am gonna keep you on the tightest, most supportive belay you've ever known.
That's what I love about you, man. Climbing.
There you go.
This is the traverse you said I'd like? I do not like this traverse. Hold me tight, dude. Never let me go.
Nice.
There was nothing I enjoyed about that part.
It was a little airy. I'm glad they put a boat there. Because there's zero gear placement.
Oh,
Get
dude.
on that edge and collect yourself. That's a great spot to be.
I'm ready to go home now.
Almost.
That was uncool, man.
Take all the time you need, Evan.
Oh,
You're good.
how the hell did you climb this thing? Need one more foot. All right.
Yeah, this is just low angle slab. There's some good hands. And then when you get about up to me, you can pass me on my left.
Oh, that doesn't sound like fun.
Sure
I
does.
just want to take a look at what I climbed. Oh,
How do you like that traverse?
I did not enjoy that traverse at all. Is it you that said I'd enjoy that?
Yeah.
He's already giving me crap.
I'm hearing a lot of positive affirmation.
Now we're on the top. Made it all by myself. Let it, free soloed it, threw a rope down, and got the rest of the guys.
Yep.
That's me.
That's what I remember.
Thanks, Jerry.
It's exactly how I remember it happening.
Come on, Jerry, join us on the summit.
All right.
Oh, so good. So worth it. So beautiful. Gorgeous up here.
Everybody filming? You're filming? You're filming? What's wrong with you, man?
Tisha Spire. It's inspiring.
The friends that I would show this to are here. So.
Oh,
I know.
we're on a very short list, guys.
And we can see the car from here.
Yeah, man.
That's always a plus.
Yeah.
That's
Super cool.
snuggle up, everybody.
Is that guy breaking into your car? Came from way out there.
We are definitely not.
Up this thing. Now I'm up here. Yeah, it's all right. View's pretty good too. Especially because I'm in it.
Just a moment, sir. Just a moment.
How's my hair? Good? All right, summit of Tisha Spire. We're gonna head down, get back to the truck, get something to eat. Let's do that now. All right, see you down there.
Everyone rejects me, even in my best dreams. And I've come to realize I can see it in your eyes, you're out to get me. Yeah, I know you're out to get me. Everyone rejects me, living in a conspiracy. And I've come to realize I can see it in your eyes, you're out to get me. Yeah, I know you're out to get me. It's not as if I tricked you. You're not thinking you needed me to. And I see I lost the bet. There's nothing I regret. What is wrong with you?
Now, Luke made it look easy. I'm not judging you or anything,
Thank you.
but I just felt like I should point that out. So we're climbing that one on the right and not that one on the left.
Tisha Spire is the squatty one on the right here.
That's good because that one, well, actually they both look outside of my ability. Sorry, are you going to tell him it's all going to be okay?
It's
Make him feel secure as you can.
fine. Okay.
That's it. I'm ready to go, huh?
Yeah,
Climb
that
on.
piece of tape is all the difference. All right, go get him.
Either your GoPro is on or your burrito is done in the microwave.
Up at the top, my battery's going to die. My batteries are down at the bottom. So, here's the top for now. He's up here in his socks.
Yes, Luke Sockwalker.
It's like, yeah, no problem. Not a whole lot of angles you can deal with up
Figure
here.
out the crack.
Messing up my audio with their whole staying alive bullshit. There we go. I keep going past these things. I just wanted to see how well you had them placed. So I figured if I climbed past them and pulled up, like that's the proper rock climbing, like not in this region, but if you climbed in Canada, you would know that's how you're supposed to test trad gear. We'll edit that to look a lot slicker.
Slicker than this.
Oh no. That's the guy that's keeping me alive. I'm not over this traverse yet. Let me absorb. That is, oh my God, that's